Everyone, now we go by using regular Fossey method. Third problem how to solve. Let's see. Compute the real root of x into log x to the power x base 10 minus 1.2 equal to 0 by the method of Fossey position. Correct to 3 decimal places anta helidare. The given equation like this. Matte using Fossey method Fossey position anta helidare. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟು 3 ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ವೇರ್ 3 ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅವರ್ ಇಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಯಲ್ ರೂಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್. put x equals to 1 ಅಂತ substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. in the equation f of x you will get minus 1.2. if you put x equals to 2 you will get 2 into log 2 base 10 minus 1.2 equal to minus 0.59. it's nothing but minus 0.6. I'm making whole number. if I'm approximately nearly 559 equal to 6. x equals to 3. when put x equals to 3, f of 3 is equals to 3 into log 3 base 10 minus 1.2 is equals to plus 0.231. you will get plus 0.231. when you are solving this, already I told that you have to keep your calculator in ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ನ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ರೂಟ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 and 2, 3. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ನೋ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, a Fossey formula x is equals to a into f of b minus b into f of a, f of b minus f of a. Is it right? Therefore we have to find the values here. A value ಏನಿದೆ, f of a value ಏನಿದೆ 2, b value 3, then f of a, f of ಅಂದರೆ f of 2 is equals to f of 2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 0.6. f of b, f of 3 is equals to 0.231. now x1 first iteration, x1 is equals to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. it's an formula I'm writing here. Then substitute these values in this formula, then simplify this. You will get 2.7228. x1 2.7228. you will get 2 point. Here x1 is 2.7228. now we have to see x1 is positive or negative. in the second iteration f of x1 is equals to f of, put this is x1 value 2.7228 is equals to in the equation x into log x minus 1 by 1.2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, we have to do that, is equals to, if you simplify this you will get minus 0.0155. it's minus symbol. f of x1 is means f of x1 you are getting minus symbol, therefore x1 here minus, you are getting here minus, so here minus, right? Therefore here you are getting minus, and therefore the roots lies between x1 and b. see now a is equals to, therefore the roots lies between 2.7228 comma 3. the a is equals to 2.7228, b is equals to 3. f of a is equals to, f of a, if you f of a ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ minus 0.0155. f of b it is equals to, f of b ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ, f of b, f of 3 ಏನಿದೆ 0.031. ಇಲ್ಲಿ I am writing this again. I am x2 is equals to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Put these values in this formula and simplify. You get 2.7401. see, when you are solving this you have to keep your calculator, every time you have to keep your calculator in rad mode, and also you have to use log 10 base 10, right? you have to use direct to use log. you have to use this log is this button, you have to use log button. so you are getting x2 is 2.7401. now we have to check third iteration. put The f of 2.74 x2 value, f of x2 is equals to 2.7401. Put in the equation, you will get minus symbol. Again you are getting x2 is minus symbol. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus x2 ನಮ್ಗೆ x1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಬಂದಿದೆ. again ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ x2 value 2.8 something 8 ಅಲ್ವಾ. here I am getting, again we are getting here minus symbol. Therefore the root lies between x2 and b. b value is 3. Therefore the root lies in 2.7401 comma 3. This between x2 and 3. What is a value here? A value is 2.7401, b value is 3. And f of a is equals to f of a. The f of a means f of 2.7401. f is to 0 minus 0.004. 4 digits ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. f of b value is 3. That is f of b value 3. f of b is equals to 0.23. Already we did in before, we have put that value. Then again consider this formula, put these values in this formula, simplify, again you will get 2.7404. see here, dear students, see here, see x2 value 2.7401 and x3 value 2.740. in these two values, this value and this value, in these two values, after the digit, the 3 decimals are equal, right? After digit 740, yes, 740, these 3 decimals are equal. Therefore comparing x2 and x3 have the same values up to 3 decimals, hence the required root is 2.740. This is the required answer.